Hello everybody, my name is Carl Sorensen, and in this video I want to show you how you can reach this $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 per month fast, free and easy. Just watch this video, I will explain everything inside. And one of the biggest problems is that the most people, they think short term. They want to make as fast as possible, like $500 and that's it. Like, I will show you a system how you make continuously a lot of money every month. It's just about thinking long term, setting up the system once, putting effort into this, be honest, give value, be real, be legit, okay? And I will show you how to do affiliate marketing with high ticket products, which are higher price products. So this video is full of valuable content. Watch it till the end and let's start. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is what are high ticket products and why they are so valuable and so powerful. Then I will show you how to sell high ticket products and bank easy. This is easy, or bank big. This is easy, free and fast. It's just setting up a system once and put it on autopilot. I will show you the number one secret on how to super boost your high ticket sales and what your number goal should be. Then we have how to put high ticket selling on autopilot. That's a wild funnel I've created. I will show you that. And then the fifth thing is I have a very huge surprise. And it's not just a marketing huge surprise. It's real, like 10 times commission, 10 times faster. Just make sure to stay till the end to see what I have for you, okay? Okay, let's start. What are high ticket products? So high ticket products are products who are more expensive and you get like 50% commission. It can be anything, right? And the good thing about high ticket product is that they will make the people take action, and it's way easier to sell them than you think. But you only have to do, like, let's say you want to make $10,000 per month on autopilot or with a little bit effort, whatever, or 20,000. Let's say 20,000 per month. You only need to make, like, let's say you have the product here, super affiliate system. You will only have to make, let me calculate, for $20,000 a month, you need to make 40 sales per month. And that's easy. It's easy. I will show you why, but it's easy. And there's so many products you can choose. But high ticket products are way to go because you only need to make a few sales instead of whatever, like 2,000 sales. It's so much easier with high tickets, okay? And I will show you how you sell them. Let me open my PowerPoint. So, first of all, I will have some bad news, but I will have some very good news afterwards. And not some salesy good news, some really good news here. There you need to create a webinar, right? You need to, because it's a product which costs more, you need to pre-sell stuff. You need to remove the blocks inside the potential customer had. So they always have some beliefs, oh, I can't do it, I don't have experience, or what if I don't get results, anything. And you do it by this model actually, like let me ask you a question and then see, and then you will do it. But what I want you to do is to find products without webinars. So you don't need to do all this stuff because the product creator of the product you will promote already created a done for you webinar or auto webinar because he knows what he's talking about. He knows how to sell. The only thing you need to do is to send traffic to this, targeted traffic, and he will do anything else, and you will do the big commissions, right? And I will show you a few funnels here. Like, that's the usual funnel I use, but I will show you a way more powerful funnel in a few minutes. But what you want to do, you want to send the targeted traffic to a lead capture page. You can get free buyer traffic. I will show you how. But you just send it to a lead capture page. They put in the email address and they will get redirected. You just get them curious about, you say, okay, here's my training on how to do this and that. And they will teach it in the webinar, but also they will sell their high ticket stuff for you, okay? They will get redirected to the bridge page. And what you want to do here is to introduce yourself, or just write a text and say, hey, make sure to whitelist this email. And then they will be there. You have a continue button to the webinar registration page. And when they sign up for the webinar, they will choose our time they want to see the webinar. And what the vendor will do is to follow up that they really show up at the webinar, because so many people, they say, okay, I registered, but I don't want to be there because, oh, I have to go to cinema, or forgot it, or whatever. That's why the vendor will follow up. But what you have to do is to create an email sequence to remind them to register for it, and then the product vendor will remind them to show up at the webinar, and here are the commission, okay? You can put this on 100% autopilot. You can set the traffic on 100% autopilot. So you need just to set it up once. I will show you how, but then send targeted traffic to it, okay? Cool. That's when you send paid traffic to your funnel. Paid traffic, so many people are afraid of paid traffic, but for me, it's definitely the best traffic in the world, because it's targeted, it's fast, it's free, and that's what you want to have. You send paid traffic to it, and you make it free traffic because you have an upsell here, right? You have an upsell who covers the cost for the paid traffic. You say, okay, they opt in again, the same process, but here inside the welcome email, you will have an upsell to break even your traffic cost. So this traffic is fast, it's highly targeted, and it's free because you cover your cost with an upsell, okay? And you just introduce this upsell inside the welcome email, and then you will remind them to go here, and he will remind them to the webinar. But also, what I highly recommend is to do pre-selling. Pre-selling is when you just heat up the traffic. Let's say you have cold traffic, not targeted traffic, you have cold traffic. You will send them to a case study. You will introduce yourself, you will show them something valuable, and then you will redirect them. If they want to learn more after free training, then we will redirect them to the squeeze page. And again, the same process. Again, send them cold traffic here, heat up the traffic by introducing them, showing the opportunity to make whatever the training is about. Let's say it's our affiliate marketing training. Show them an opportunity to what they can earn, why it's cool, financial freedom. What I'm always telling you, but I'm real, I'm give value here, I'm teaching you stuff, okay? I want you to achieve your goal, okay? But you just introduce them to their opportunity, and then you send them to the squeeze page, and again, the same process. And that's my #1 funnel. I will show you this for free, okay? But usually I should charge for that, but I created this on my own. It looks very complicated, but it's actually very easy. It just, you send them targeted buyer traffic or targeted traffic. Buyer traffic is for people who already bought something, who are willing to take action, okay? Targeted traffic here. Bridge page, you can put your YouTube video where you introduce yourself on the bridge page, and you will say, okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button below, and whitelist my email and everything. And then you will have the continue button again to the webinar registration page. Again, you will follow up that they will register to the webinar registration page. And here's the welcome email where you give our free product away, okay? And then this can just be a PDF or whatever, or create a quick video. What I always recommend is be personal, give value, create a quick video, explain then anything they will need, okay? Or just put a PDF here. And on the page, I will show you how I do it in a second. But then you will show, okay, I also give you something more if you just share the pre-selling case study here, which was sent into the squeeze page, and it's a circle of life, like wild traffic again and again and again, and that's freedom. That's geographical freedom, time and money freedom. We just set it up here, and I will show you now how you do that, or an example of my pages. Like let me see. That's my training here. In this training, I will give the people a lot of value, and I will show them how to build a high ticket funnel and autopilot and give them the funnel and everything. But what I do at the bottom of this page is I tell them, hey, do you want my product lazy, attractive profits and all upsells, including 100% license, right? Okay, that's a lot of value, I know, because I usually sell all this for $140, but as I said, I love to give value away. I love to help people. That's my passion. But you don't have to do all that. You just can, like, give away a report or whatever, something that will solve their problems. Let's say you can find a free PDF for copywriting or for building a list or whatever. Give it away. Let them share your pre-selling case study. What is a pre-selling case study? That's a pre-selling, no, that's not, sorry. A pre-selling case study is, I will show you mine. That's a pre-selling case study. How to build a profitable email list fast. Who am I? I'll introduce myself. Then I will show them the case study here. I create a video, and then I will give them the opportunity to go to my free training, right here, or to check out my review or whatever. That's a pre-selling case study. Introduce yourself, introduce the opportunity, and then go for it, okay? That's a pre-selling case study. You can ask a copywriter on Fiverr and create it for $10. It's evergreen. Just do it, okay? That's what I recommend. And that's the number one funnel I have for you. I'm really proud of that because it will give you so much traffic. And then the thing about sharing the traffic is that they share it on Facebook with their friends. And the friends that trust them. And they will say, hey, check it out. They will go to this. You introduce opportunity. And please take this serious. That's so powerful. And just because I'm telling you this for free, it's still very, very valuable. You should take action on this. Believe me. It's so powerful. Buy high ticket products. Find out on the webinar ones. A lot of them have a lot of them have some other webinars here because they just want to sell the product on their own because they can do it their best, okay? But I have something more for you. I found our product with the name Hijacking, a very powerful product where you just build those opt-in webinar download page on autopilot. And I've decided to create a full review for that and give you my insane bonus package. I will show you that in a second. But what high ticket hijack will do is to create all the pages for you. There's also a training and everything inside, no worries. And you just have to send traffic to this page. It will look like that. They will opt in. They will be in your email list. They will be redirected to our auto webinar, and that will be your affiliate link. They will do all the selling here, like this 1 hour and 10 minutes. They will show some valuable stuff, help them, and then they will do the sales pitch, everything done for you, and you have your affiliate link here. If they buy through your affiliate link, it will be $1,000, right? And then they will get redirected to the free ebook you promised them here, and they will get redirected to this free ebook. So you force them to watch the webinar. They might buy, like some webinars have a conversion rate of like 15-20%, so every fifth visitor will buy. Very powerful stuff. Also here, very powerful traffic sources inside the training here. And how I will help you is that I created my bonus review page. Here it is. I will show you everything about the product. I will show you more about the inside, the upsells, or whatever. It's about $20, I think. And what I will do for you, I will give you all the stuff I just told you. I will give you this high ticket selling on autopilot training and the done for you funnel. I will give you my product multiplier, where I show you how you multiply one buyer lead. So one lead who gets to the opt-in page I just showed you, and multiply it into 3 on autopilot. I will show you how to get buyer traffic. I will give you of this training, a multiplier training, where I show you how to multiply 1 lead into 3 on autopilot. I will show you, give you all my done for you material, which you will need. So the pre-selling, case studies. I will give you an email sequence. I will give you done for you videos, done for you lead magnet, and so much more, social media posts and everything, only for the first 25 hours. When you buy any of the upgrades, I will give you all the other OTLs, OTL 2 and 3 expert training, how you will get done for you videos to crush it with the traffic. Also, I will give you 100% license rights to sell it as your own product. I will give you my #1 buyer traffic source. I will give you my product Lazy Attractive Profits. Way weird name, I know, but you will basically show how to make people come to you and ask you for affiliate link. So you just give them the free training, your lead capture page, and they will go through the whole process, and you make those $1,000, $2,000 commissions, okay? Then I will show you my super affiliate promotions training. I create all this on my own, insane training. So very valuable stuff. I should charge like whatever, $2,000 for that. Then I have my high ticket authority ebook, where I will show you how you super boost your high ticket authority, the vendor bonuses, and also so much more value. So if you decide to get access to this, here on the open left corner of this video, there's a link to my full review video. And this is so powerful. Definitely check it out. As I always want you to get value, I always telling you what works, what don't works, and this is very cool to check it out. And yeah, like high ticket sales, definitely the way to go. And that's how you do the big commissions. And definitely use the funnel I showed you, because it's definitely so cool to have viral traffic with a pre-sale case study and get the circle of life and get a lot of commissions and live your financial freedom. And I will make sure that you achieve your financial freedom way faster than you can imagine, okay? So that was it for now. My name is Carl. I wish you all the best. Make sure to check out the review on the top left side and take action on it, okay? So all the best. My name is Carl. Bye bye.